हाय एवरीवन, रश्मि एजुकेशन चैनल में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको चैप्टर 9 6th स्टैंडर्ड सोशल साइंस द अर्थ आवर हैबिटेट की सॉल्व क्वेश्चन आंसर देने जा रही हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव एंड राइट करेक्ट आंसर। 1, व्हिच प्लैनेट इज क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन? अर्थ, मर्क्यूरी, वेनस, नेपच्यून। तो आंसर है मर्क्यूरी। जीरो लैटिट्यूड इज नोन बाय व्हिच नेम? ग्रीनविच, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, इक्वेटर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न। ग्रीनविच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हिच ट्रॉपिक इज लोकेटेड बिटवीन 23.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड एंड 66.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड? हॉट जोन, टेम्परेट जोन, टॉर्रिड जोन, ऑल ऑफ दीज। तो आंसर है टेम्परेट जोन। आई मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 23.5 डिग्री ऑन माई एक्सिस, आइडेंटिफाई मी। सन, मून, अर्थ, वेनस। आंसर है अर्थ। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इन अ ईयर डज द सन इंटरसेक्ट इक्वेटर? 1, 2, 3, 4। फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, बिकॉज ऑफ हुज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन सोलर एप्लिक्स इज सीन ऑन अर्थ? मून, सन, अर्थ, नॉन ऑफ दीज। तो आंसर है मून। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आइडेंटिफाई मी। आई एम कॉल्ड अ जेंट प्लैनेट, ऑल्सो जुपिटर। 2, ऑन क्रॉसिंग मी डेट हैज टू बी चेंज्ड, इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन। आई एम 90 डिग्री साउथ लैटिट्यूड, साउथ पोल। आई रिवॉल्व around the earth, moon. If I were not there, the organism would have died, sun. Then question number 3, tell whether the following statement are true or false. Moon is self-illuminated, so false. Neptune is a blue colored planet, true. The horizontal lines drawn on the earth are called latitude, true. On 21st June, it is winter on Tropic of Cancer. False. It's very cool on equator. False. 90 degree north latitude is called North Pole. True. Then question number 4, answer the following questions in short. Question 1, what is the speed of the earth? Answer, the speed of the earth is 16,070 km per hour on equator. It takes 24 hours to complete a rotation. Question number 2, polar star is seen in which direction? Polar star is seen in the north direction. Question number 3, which is the brightest planet in solar system? Venus is the brightest planet in solar system. Question number 4, by which name is 180 degree latitude known? (180° latitude is called international date line. Question number 5, answer the 3 or 4 sentence. If the earth does not rotate on its axis, what will happen? Answer, if the earth does not rotate on its axis, then on one side only light would have been there, while on the other side it would be remain dark. Then question number 2, what do you mean by latitude and longitude? The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on earth's surface are called latitude. The total number of latitude are 181. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitude. There are total 360 longitudes, among which 0 longitude and 180 longitude are important. Then question number 3, February month sometimes has 29 days. Explain the statement. Since 1 year of Earth is 365 days and 6 hours, but it is difficult to calculate 1/4 of the day, so we count year as having 365 days. In order to consents, remaining 6 hours are added to the month of February every 4 years. That February has 29 days in place of 28 days. We call that year leap year. Question number 4. Which planet are known as inner planets? Answer. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are known as inner planet. What is Uttarayan? The direct rays of the sun begin to fall towards north of equator. Thus, northern solstice occurs on 22nd December. Sun enters Makar Rashi on 14th January. So, it is called Uttarayan. Question number 6. Write short note on the following. First, lunar eclipse. Moon gets light from the sun. Thus, if the sun rays going towards moon are obstructed by the earth, then that part of moon remains dark. In nutshell, that much part of earth's shadow falls on moon. This part is not visible to us, which is called lunar eclipse. Such events occur on full moon day on specific day only. Then solar system. Our sun is the self-illuminated star of Milky Way. It is surrounded by small and big stars. Due to gravitational force of sun and planet, all these rotate around the sun in a circular form. All these planets together make solar system. It is include satellite, comets and meteors also. Then tropic zones. Our earth is divided in different parts on the basis of difference in temperature, light, heat and cold. These parts are called zones. There are 3 zones: torrid zones, temperate zone, frigid zone or polar zone. Then question number 4. Equinox. Sun and the equator intersect each other twice in a year. This intersection is called equinox. During the year on 21st March and 23rd September, sun rays fall straight on equator, because of which nights and days are equal. It is called equinoxes. तो ये थी आपको जो सॉल्यूशन चैप्टर 9 के द अर्थ और हैबिटेट. Watch this video carefully and subscribe this channel, like, share also. Thank you for watching me.